Welcome back to Wild and Pet Channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the eagle, nature's most formidable hunter. Eagles are symbols of power and freedom. With over 60 species around the world, these magnificent birds have captivated humans for centuries. Equipped with razor-sharp talons, a hooked beak, and extraordinary vision, eagles are built for hunting. Their eyesight is up to 8 times sharper than that of humans, allowing them to spot prey from miles away. Perched high above, the eagle surveys its territory. Patience is key as it waits for the perfect moment to strike. With laser-like focus, it locks onto its target, a rabbit unsuspectingly grazing below. In a breathtaking display of speed and precision, the eagle dives at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. With impeccable timing, it snatches the rabbit with its powerful talons, securing its meal for the day. The victorious hunter returns to its nest, where a feast awaits. This is the cycle of life in the wild, showcasing the eagle's role as a top predator. Join us next time on Wild and Pet Channel as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible wildlife adventures.